Okay, we're going to show you how easy it is to make a polygon in Geogebra. And you can do that from Google Drive. So I'm going to start in Google Drive, click on New and then More, and choose Geogebra as my option. It's going to ask if I want to give it access, and I will. So then once that opens, you'll get the Geogebra screen. You don't necessarily need to keep the calculator up, but making a polygon is pretty simple. You choose the Polygon tool, and I'm going to click Polygon, and as I click, it starts to create my polygon as many points as I want. As long as I click, I can continue to make a many-sided polygon, and when I want to finish, that last click should be on the original point. You'll see that once I do that, it shows me the coordinates of the point, it shows me the area of that polygon, and it shows me the lengths of each of the line segments. If I wanted to measure the area, or if I wanted to measure the angle, I choose the angle tool, and I select 3 points with the angle, the point that I want the angle in the middle. Now you'll notice that as I select this point, I'm going to click the B as my angle I want to measure, and then the C, it measured the outside angle. So if I actually want to measure the inside angle, I have to select those points in the opposite way. So I'm going to go to angle again, choose B and A and E, and when I choose them in that order, I get the inside angle. So maybe I want to save this. I'm going to go to File. I'm going to go to the menu on the right and hit Save, and give it a title, Polygon. And rather than hit save at this point, I'm going to click on the little Geogebra icon because I want to save this to Google Drive instead of Geogebra. And once I've done that, I hit save, and it's done. And you can actually see that if I go to my Google Drive, there's that file that I just saved. And once I have this file, I can change it. I can choose my selector on the right-hand side, or sorry, left-hand side, and I can drag any point and all the measurements change. I can even drag a segment and change more than one thing at a time, or I can select the whole polygon and drag that.